Welcome to Build with Roman. I'm your host, Romanstone. So you've decided to build a feature. Great, I know you can do that. But the most important part is the foundation. Let me show you how it's done. Whiskey's gone and I ain't leaving. I hope you're ready to work. Like all landscape jobs, always starts with a shovel. I hope you're ready to work. Like all landscape jobs, always starts with a shovel. Our foundation's been excavated. I've thrown down some rock so I'm not working in the mud. Now I'm just going to put up some batter boards to make sure our foundation's nice and level. Hope you're ready to work. Like all landscape jobs, always starts with a shovel. We've filled up our foundation with rock. Now what we're going to do is just screed off the top to give us a perfectly level surface. I hope you're ready to work. Like all landscape jobs, always starts with a shovel. This looks awesome. Let's finish it up. I hope you're ready to work. Like all landscape jobs, always starts with a shovel. We've got a smooth, level foundation to build anything we want on. Well, that was fun. Now that we have our feature built, it's time to make sure we keep water away from our base. I hope you're ready to work. Like all landscape jobs, always starts with a shovel. Well, that's it. That wasn't too hard, was it? Now you can add some landscaping, put some table and chairs, get yourself some friends, and utilize that outdoor space. Check out my other videos for more great tips.